So to fix this problem, this is very easy. So what you have to do is to just follow me step by step by watching this video from the beginning to the end without skipping any part of it. So to fix this problem, first of all, head straight to your phone menu like this, scroll a little bit, and you're going to find your phone settings. Then you tap on it to open it. So when you open it, tap on SIM card and mobile network. So when you tap on SIM card and mobile network, select the network type you are using for your device. So when you tap on it, what you have to do is to tap on a preferred network type. So when you tap on preferred network type, select 2G/3G/4G or 2. So when you select this, what you have to do is to go back to your phone settings again. Then over here, you have to scroll down a little bit and you're going to find app management. Just tap on the app management, then after that tap on app settings. So when you get over here, what you have to do is to just scroll a little bit and you're going to find Gangster 4, which is the Gangster Vegas app. So just tap on it to open it, tap on notifications and make sure these show notifications are all turned on. So what you have to do is to go back and tap on the storage and cache, tap on the color cache and go back. Then after that, tap on mobile data and Wi-Fi and make sure this background data is turned on like this. So after doing this, you have to go back and tap on first stop, then you tap on OK. And also what you have to do lastly is to go to your Google Play Store. So when you get to Google Play Store, just have to search for Gangster Vegas. When you search for Gangster Vegas, you're going to find the app. Then you tap on the update over here. So when you tap on the update, you're going to see that it's going to reinstall on your device and you are going to find play and uninstall as you can see on my phone screen. So after doing this, you're not done. You have to tap on the power button for some while. Then after that, restart your device and this problem is going to get fixed. Thank you for watching this video. See you in my next video.